Sculptform products save you time and money due to their fast and easy installation, and are incredibly versatile thanks to their modular design. Our aluminium click-on cladding combines traditional tongue and groove cladding methodology with our unique clip connection, providing a non-combustible metal cladding solution available in a range of quality finishes. In this video, you're going to learn our 3-step process for installing Series 2 click-on cladding. Series 2 is available in a diverse range of 3D profiles. We'll be using our Edge 120 to create a rich 3D texture. This is what you'll receive as part of your order. Mounting track with pre-fitted clips, cladding boards, corner profiles, starter profiles, Z support profiles, L profile trims, foam insertion tool, foam dampening cord supplied in 200 meter rolls, removal tool, black stitching screws, and the Series 2 installation guide. Before beginning installation, make sure you've considered any penetrations in your facade and where you may need to start your installation. Refer to the installation manual for construction details. The installation of our system is able to be commenced once the flexible membrane or rigid air barrier is fitted and complete. Make sure you pre-drill and trim your material to length. Before attaching the trims, notch the end of the base angle to fit the end trim. Step 2 is to install trims and tracks. Install the base angle first, then the end trim. Tape over the trim leg onto the membrane for waterproofing. Once all the trims are installed, you're ready to install the tracks. You'll notice these tracks have 2 parts. The mounting track base is fixed to the substrate, and the mounting track fits neatly inside it and must be fixed using stitching screws in the top and bottom. We've designed the tracks this way to give you up to a 6mm adjustment in case you need to compensate for slight variations in the wall line. We've also designed them to allow enough space to fit concrete anchors when fixing to masonry. Install each track, leaving the correct distance to the first clip. Refer to our installation manual for the correct measurements. When installing Series 2 on a corner like we're doing here, you'll need to install the corner profile Part 1 to the face of the tracks. Step 3, install boards. First, fit the starter profile with the black screws supplied and insert the foam cord. Fit the foam cord using our foam insertion tool as shown in this demonstration. Pro tip: when inserting the foam cord, slide the tool up and down 2 to 3 times to ensure the top of the foam is engaged. Do the same at the bottom after snapping the foam to length. Fit your first cladding board by engaging the groove side into the tongue of the starter profile, rotating the board down and clicking it into engagement. Pro tip: to consistently and accurately install each board, place a 5mm spacer on the base angle to align the bottom of each board as you install them. Install a screw through the tongue and into the lowermost mounting track. This will secure the board and make sure it doesn't slide down when thermal movement of the boards occurs. Then install the foam cord into the board tongue. Pro tip: it's easiest to install the foam into each cladding board once the board has been installed. Continue this process ensuring that each board is at least 5mm off the base angle for drainage. To finish off a section of your wall, rip the last board to width using a track saw. Fix the board support Z profile to the face of the track using the stitching screws. Attach the board to the board support using construction grade double-sided tape. Screw direct fix clips at 600mm centers onto the open 12mm outer profile and snap into place on the corner profile. Project-specific detailing such as internal corners, window details, and inter-story details are outlined in the installation manual. If your project includes any of these elements, you'll be supplied with the relevant materials. If you have any challenges that we didn't cover in this video, then feel free to call us on 1800 008 828.